In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Bing trending searches. If you'd like a cleaner search box without those popular topics popping up, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and why it matters. Start by opening your browser and going to bing.com. You can do this on a computer or a mobile device. Before changing anything, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account. This part is important because your preferences may not stick if you're not signed in. Think of it like saving your settings to your profile rather than just your browser. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Next, look to the top right corner of the Bing homepage. You'll see either a three-line menu icon or a small gear icon for settings. Click that to open the menu. Depending on the layout you see, choose Search Settings or pick More to reveal additional options. The wording can vary slightly, but you're looking for the area where Bing controls suggestions and autocomplete behavior. Inside Search Settings, locate the section related to autocomplete or trending content. You should see an option labeled Show Trending on Bing, or something very close to that. This control determines whether Bing displays trending searches and topics as you begin typing. If you find those distracting or irrelevant, turning them off can make the suggestions more focused on what you're actually searching for. Flip that option to Off. In many cases, Bing saves this change automatically. If you see a Save button, click it to confirm, but often you won't need to. After that, your search box should no longer display trending topics. Instead, you'll get suggestions that are more closely tied to your input and your past activity, depending on your privacy settings. A couple of quick tips if the setting isn't obvious. Sometimes the option is grouped under autocomplete, so look for that header. If the menu is crowded, you can use your browser's Find feature and search for the word trending to jump right to it. Also, remember that settings can be tied to a specific browser and profile. If you use multiple devices or browsers, you may want to repeat this change in each place where trending results appear. That's all it takes. By signing in, opening the Settings menu, heading to Search Settings, finding Show Trending on Bing, and turning it off, you'll keep your search experience focused and distraction-free. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner Bing search.